Hi, welcome to Excel Learning. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning how to multiply any two-digit number near a base number. In this example, 34 times 35. Step 1. Find a base number such that it is near the given numbers and is easy to multiply. For 34 and 35, the nearest base number is 30. Step 2. Compare the two numbers with the base number. 34 minus 30 is positive 4. 35 minus 30 is positive 5. Step 3. Cross-add the difference. 34 plus 5 or 35 plus 4. In either cases, you get 39. Step 4. Multiply the base number to the sum. That's 39 times 30, and you get 1,170. Step 5. Multiply the differences. 4 times 5 is 20. Step 6. Add the numbers. 1,170 plus 20 equals 1,190. And that's your final answer. 34 times 35 equals 1,190. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.